What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechPut Solutions. Remy wanted me to go live and explain to you guys what's going on with the market. I wanted to update you guys on my position, but not only my position, but I'm getting a lot of questions just because it's one of the first screen days that TQQQ has had in quite some time. I wanted to share my honest opinion regardless if I'm invested or not. And again, I hope that you learned something new. And if you don't smash the like button for me, hopefully you can do it for Remy. So let's go ahead and jump right to it. Just like I updated you guys yesterday on my red day on TQQQ, I'm up $22,000 today on it today, obviously because of its green performance. A lot of people are asking if we should begin to average up. And this is something that I feel like a lot of beginner traders experience where at the first sight of a green day, right? The market's been selling out for 5 months, and at the first sight of a green day, they're so eager to average up. If the past 5 months have taught us anything, it's that confirmation is key and that you cannot get too excited or too hopeful at the first sight of a green day. With that being said, although I am invested in TQQQ, one of the things that I want to make you aware of is I don't want to be like other people and try to convince you to trade the same things that I'm trading. I would, if anything, encourage you to kind of hold back. I want to look out for the beginner trader. I want to make sure that you don't get in and then have to cut losses or get out earlier than expected and maybe wasting a day trade because you might be under the PDT rule. Things I have to take into consideration because I know everyone cannot tolerate the same risk that I can, and rightfully so. With that being said, on the 1 hour time frame, I would encourage you, whatever stock it is that you're looking at, I would encourage you to see. With TQQQ, we can see that it's still getting rejected by the moving average. This has happened for the past 3 weeks. We have not been able to break above it. That is a huge, huge resistance level. You can see every single time it tries to break above. What does it do, Remy? Gets rejected. Tries to break above. What does it do? Gets rejected. Tries to break above. Gets really close, right? This was the last time. This was last weekend on Wednesday. It shot up. Gets rejected. So now we are retesting. If you want to go in for a short-term swing trade and potentially just ride it up to the moving average, that's up to you. But one of the things that we always talk about is direction is not in your favor. And just because I'm okay with taking that risk doesn't mean that you have to. And I want you to be aware of this. But with that being said, yes, TQQQ is beginning to show some signs of a support, but no, overall direction did not change. I'm not here to sugarcoat things. I'm not here to make it look better than what it is. I'm telling you this as I have as of right now. I'm not going to hold this entire position, but I'm going to hold about 10,000 shares. I'm telling you this as I have hundreds of thousands of dollars in TQQQ that if I were you, if I was under the PDT rule, and if I was trying to be more conservative, I would not buy in just yet. It's not that I don't think TQQQ can go up. I do. But I think that it has a lot to prove. And I think that we really need to break above this moving average, right, Remy? This moving average on the 1 hour time frame. And I think that's something to work towards. My job, when it comes down to my YouTube channel and my job being a part of our Learn Plan Profit group, is to look out for our beginner trader. And regardless if it's in my best interest or not, I want to make sure that I do that, right? And I hope that you can see that. Of course, I would love for you guys to jump into TQQQ if it makes sense to you. But if it doesn't, please don't. Do yourself a favor. Don't risk something that you're not willing to tolerate because it is more bearish than it is bullish. So make sure that you put yourself in a position in which you can handle. And that's really just it. So wanted to update you guys on my position. If you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, I will update you guys in the main chat room when I decide to reduce my position size. And also, remember, tomorrow we're having an in-person training at the HQ talking about risk management. So if you're part of Learn Plan Profit or you're thinking of joining, make sure you sign up by tonight, and I will see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. at the HQ. Our HQ is located in Chandler, Arizona, and this is all included if you're part of Learn Plan Profit. So again, all the info will be down in the description if you're ready to join our team. And if not, no worries. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. And again, if it's not for me, make sure you smash the like button for Remy. I wish you guys nothing but the best. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green now. Take it easy, team. Thank you, Remy.